There's a danger, and I would bet you as an instructor at university that 70% of people who study electrical engineering at the university in Germany, after all the labors and whatever you call it, still come out flat. I mean, even the very intelligent ones, they still cannot put cables together, they still cannot do things together. And so, we had a seminar about a talk about a particular degree we were offering. And the guy told me, and I asked him, but you companies don't seem to like graduates, do you? You seem to prefer the guys who did house building. He said, yeah, Stanley, they're moving to Australia. I said, but why? He said, well, you people study a lot about problems. You spend all your time studying problems. Even in your research, you study problems. You don't study solutions. So, please don't give me this. Oh, if you like, keep on giving me, but I'm not going to take this crap of we don't study enough in Cameroon. Only in the just in the software domain, as I said, the amount of projects we've been able to do, and that I took the project from myself, which I'm going to talk about in a moment, and then exported them to Cameroon for the projects to be done in Cameroon, and then they thought I did the project. And I was so flabbergasted at the result. I was like, but this guy studied in Cameroon. You know, so I believe that our problem is something else. Oh, I'm missing this thing again. I'm missing you see, I'm really bad at